amazing. We have here the GE 5000 window AC. This is the box. Now let's open it up. So this is how the unit looks like. Here's your control board and extension cord. Some extra stuff right here. So let's put it together. First thing you want to do is place this bracket right here on the top. This is where the springs are gonna be attached to cover up your side gaps on each end, just like that. So you put the 3 small screws in there. After you have installed this bracket, now it's time to slide this piece right in these 3 gaps right here. So you see that eye right there, that's gonna slide right through there. So you're gonna slide it all the way down. Just like that. And then same thing on the other side. Just like that. And then you want to slide this piece right here on one end and then another one on the other end. Slide this piece in there. It's just gonna snap in. It has the push snap on it. And now you're ready to put it on the window now. And this is the way it's gonna look. My window is a little bit smaller. It's a small window for my shed, so it's not gonna be the same maybe for your room, but this is the way it looks. Even on a small window, it fits in there, so you should not have any issues. Just like that. And then I can put a screw right here right there to secure. My installation might be a little different than what you might have in your house. The way it worked for me was I screw in this screw right here to the window, and then same over here, and I put the bracket right here with another screw right here to hold this, and same on this side. So as you can see, it's sturdy, it doesn't move around. Now on the settings, you have different levels of cool right here. I'm gonna put it on max to get this room nice and cold, and then I'm gonna put it on high cold. And as you can see, it's not loud at all. It's very quiet, mellow sound. Of course, it's not gonna be super quiet, but as you can hear, it's not really loud. This is gonna cool down my shed that is 15 by 9, so it's about like 130 square feet. This one is good for 150 square feet, so it should do just fine. So I am happy with the amount of cold is coming out just now that I just turned it on. It's the first time turning it on, and it feels really nice and cold. So I can't wait to continue seeing how fast this room gets cold. So this is pretty much it for the 5000G window AC unit in the color white.